In this video, we'll be looking into how to check NECO 2025 results using your own personal mobile phone. So follow this video till the end. The first thing to do is to go to your browser. So as you can see my browser here. Now what are you going to search? You are going to search, look at this search tab, then click on this place. Once you are here, then you will search for results.neco.gov.ng. Now look at what this one brought. It brought results. Please don't click on something like this. Ensure you click on results. Let the thing you want to search as S. Now look at this results. Now see this particular one here. Let me press back. See this particular one here. You can see that it has results.neco.gov.ng. So ensure you click on this particular one. This one showing here. This one I'm touching here. So after clicking on it, then it's loading. Now see the website it displayed. Now this, you can see this is official NECO website for you to check your result. If you go and click on that result, the one that does not have S, is going to take you to another place entirely. So this is official NECO website. I may eventually drop this link under the description button. So once you want to have access to this link to this page, just go to the description aspect, then go and check the link there. So what you're going to do is that now let's fill this place properly. This says examination number, as you can see. So let me click on it. So you can check your 2025 NECO result, which is here, or check from, you can see, from 2000 rather, year 2000 to year 2025. But because you want to check NECO 2025, so let me click on 2025. So I've done this. Then the next thing for me to do is to select examination type. After selecting it, I have 5 different things here. You can see that the first one is SSC internal, the second one is SSC external, the third one is BC, the next one is NCEE, and the last one is gifted. So you are going to click on internal. Now let me tell you the difference between internal and external. Internal simply means that the exam whereby students who wrote it usually wear school uniform to the exam center. So why the one for external are those that they were mufti, something we often call WAEC GC or NECO GC. Anything external is called GC. So but for you, the result you want to check, since it's your 2025 result for NECO, so click on SSC internal, because the exam you wrote, you wore school uniform to the exam center. So click on SSC internal. So I've done this. Then the next one is now token. As you can see here, token. Now what is token? Token is 12 digit number. And then remember that token is similar to scratch card. It's also called scratch card. During WAEC used to call their own token scratch card, and WAEC gave all students scratch card. It is attached to their ID card. But for NECO did not give you anything. So you are going to purchase your NECO token. It is 16 digit number. It is 12 digit number rather. So if you want to get your token, just send a message to the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen, then pay into the account number displayed on your screen, which is 2,200 naira for one. And if you are a stakeholder, or if you are a parent, or if you are a teacher, principal, you want to buy for a large number of students, if you are buying 5, so there will be a discount for you buying 5. So we have the token available in bulk and one. If you want to buy one, we have it as 2,200. If you want to buy 5 and above, then there will be discounts for you. So pay into the account number displayed on your screen, then send your receipt to the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen as well. Immediately, even don't bother to greet us, just send the receipt, add the caption to it under the receipt that this is the payment for your NECO token. Then we are going to send you the token immediately. We sell it in bulk and in unit. So for here now, token is 12 digit number. Let me select this particular token here. You can see now. So after that, then the next one is what? Registration number. Registration number is something around 10 digit number with 2 alphabets, something like this. Look at this one now. This is 2410740034. And that is actually 10 digit number. If you can count it, 2410740034 with 2 alphabets. Now the 2 alphabets we have here is what? IF. So this your 2 alphabets, you can type it in small letter, or probably you type both of them in capital letter. It doesn't mean. So after doing this, then the next thing you have to do is to click on what? Check result. So after clicking on check results, then your result is going to display here. It's going to display on your screen on your phone. So after that, below this side, around this point where I'm circling this side, you're going to see where you are going to see an instruction that will ask you to print. So once you click on print, then it's going to download the result to your file manager as well as the PDF. So this is how to check your NECO 2025 result. Do well to share this video to your friends, to your classmates, and if you want to get your NECO token, do well to send a message to our WhatsApp number. Ensure you pay onto the account number displayed on the screen. Send us your receipts. Then attach a caption under the receipt that this is the payment for your NECO token. Even don't bother to greet us. Then we are going to send you the token immediately. It is 2,200 naira. Thank you so much. Please ensure you share this video